How to fix the connection error on FiveM. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the connection error on your FiveM. Now the error you get is this right here, failed to get info server after 3 attempts. Now to fix this issue, what you'll need to do is head over to your CMD, that is your command prompt. So go to your search bar and then search for command prompt or simply type in your CMD. After you do that, open your command prompt. Now, after you open up your command prompt, you'll need to type in 2 lines of code, now instructions. So these are not really that difficult, but I will be sure to put it in the description. Now here type in ipconfig, give a space, give a slash, and flush DNS. After you do that, your DNS resolver cache will get flushed. And after you type that code in, what you'll then need to do is type in another code. Now the next code is netsh winshock reset. Now hit enter, and after you do so, you'll be sure that you run as an administrator, and after you do that, all you then need to do is restart your computer and your problem should get fixed. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Bye bye guys, take care.